Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best mechanics tool sets on Amazon. If you're working in a professional environment or have plenty of cash at your disposal, you want to go with a top-shelf mechanics tool set. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Nico A half-inch Drive Master Impact Set. Nico's set is somewhat of a handicap as this is the only impact set that we put to the test. Even so, we firmly feel that this is the way to go if you need to handle the power of impact sockets around the home garage. The main draw to this kit is the piece count. We used this anytime our testing required wheels to be removed, harmonic balancers pulled, or anything else that required the use of impact tools and then some. The fact that you get a total of 58 shallow and deep well metric and SAE sockets makes it hard to leave out of the equation whenever you start wrenching. It also comes with a half-inch ratchet, 3 extensions, 2 drive adapters, and a universal joint, which makes it the only kit you'll need for many situations. What we like about it: comprehensive impact socket selection. Ratchet and attachments included. Better construction than most budget impact sets. What we don't like about it: massive storage case. Poor warranty coverage. Relatively high price point. Number 2. Crescent 20-piece X10 ratchet and socket set. Out of all tools sent for review, this set from Crescent has undoubtedly seen the most use. Official testing included sealing a transmission leak, but this kit has been used for many other projects. The reason we like it so much comes down to the balance of aesthetic appeal and high-quality construction. The 3/8-inch ratchet uses an 84-tooth mechanism that's equally as robust as it is nimble. It also features a gorgeous black and brushed steel scheme with black fill to help the socket engravings stand out. What we like about it: superior quality for price. High tooth count. High aesthetic appeal. Resistant finish. What we don't like about it: relatively limited selection. Heavy ratchet. Poor seal on ratchet internals. Number 3. Craftsman VersaStack Mechanic Tool Set. The Craftsman VersaStack Mechanic Tool Set, 71-piece, 1/4 in and 3/8 in drive, SAE and metric, ratchets, sockets, hex keys, adapter and more, Polish chrome finish, is a versatile and comprehensive toolset that can handle a variety of tasks. The Craftsman VersaStack tool set includes 71 pieces, including both SAE and metric sizes, ratchets, sockets, hex keys, an adapter, and more. This makes it a versatile toolset that can handle a wide range of tasks. The tools in this set are made from high-quality materials, including a polished chrome finish that is resistant to rust and corrosion. The ratchets and sockets are also designed for durability and easy use. With a comprehensive toolset, high-quality materials. What we like about it: lifetime warranty. Comprehensive toolset. High-quality materials. What we don't like about it: limited extension bar. Number 4. Nico 3/8-inch Drive Colored Mechanics Tool Ratchet. The Nico 3/8-inch Drive Colored Mechanics Tool Ratchet socket set, 76-piece standard and deep SAE sizes 1/4 to 1 metric sizes 6mm to 24mm made with CRV steel for auto repair comes in. This comprehensive toolset comes with everything you need to tackle any auto repair job, big or small. The Nico comes with 76 pieces, including both standard and deep sockets in SAE and metric sizes. This makes it a versatile toolset that can be used for a wide range of repair jobs. And the ratchet handle is ergonomically designed for easy use, and the sockets are easy to attach and detach, even in tight spaces. But some users have noted that some of the sockets in this set may be too shallow for certain jobs, which can make them difficult to use. What we like about it: comprehensive toolset. High-quality materials. Color-coded for easy identification. What we don't like about it: limited socket sizes. Number 5. The Poto 69-piece Mechanics Tool Set. The last set we're going to take a look at is a very affordable option from Poto. If you're working on a shoestring budget, it's capable of helping you get the job done. This 69-piece set includes both the 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch sockets, along with a solid combination of shallow and deep well sockets in SAE. What we like about it: affordable price point, comprehensive collection for low price, high tooth count is good in tight spaces. What we don't like about it: ratchet internals can see improvements, open orifices on ratchet heads, quality control issues are concerning, no warranty information available. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.